Hey guys, Jason with Phastek.com. And in this video, we're going to show you how to easily install a bit of style and add the look of an aftermarket field door with the Phastek American flag vinyl overlay for all 2010 to 2015 Camaros. A little bit about this American flag overlay. It is available in 7 different color options and is cut from a long-lasting 2.5 mil intermediate vinyl. Now that we've told you about the product, let's move you into the install. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make it a little easier. I'm going to trim this fuel door out a little bit so that way when I go to put it on, it's not so difficult to line up. Next, I'm going to clean the fuel door off, soap and water solution. I'm going to spray it again lightly. This is going to allow me to position the overlay once I carefully remove the backing. With the flag positioned where we want it, we will start in the center of the overlay and work our way to the edges, squeezing all the water and air out from behind the vinyl. Then we can slowly peel the transfer tape off the vinyl. There you have it, guys. We added some style and patriotism to our Camaro. Showed you how easy it is to do this on your own. For that, I want to thank you for watching this video. If you need more information on this product, click the link in the description below. And as always, like and subscribe to see our future videos.